To perform an action or task. Do a job, do a task, do homework, do the dishes. She had to do the dishes after dinner. I need to do my homework before I go out with friends. To take part in an activity. Do a sport, do an activity, do exercise. He loves to do sports in the evening. They do yoga together every morning. To achieve or complete something. Do your best, do well, do a great job. She did her best to finish the project on time. He did a great job organizing the event. To cause or have an effect. Do harm, do good, do damage, do justice. The decision to cut the tree down did a lot of harm to the environment. Her actions did justice to the community. To serve or function. Do the trick, do the job, do the honors. A little bit of water did the trick to get the plant revived. Can you do the honors and open the gift? To handle or manage, do without, do with less, do something alone. I'll have to do without coffee today. He managed to do with less during the tough times. To help or assist. Do someone a favor, do a good turn. Could you do me a favor and help me with my bags? He did her a good turn by lending her money when she needed it most. To perform in a specific way. Do badly, do well, do poorly, do wonderfully. She did badly in the interview because she was too nervous. They did wonderfully in the play last night. To represent or indicate. Do as, do the same, do differently. You should do as I told you in the meeting. He decided to do things differently this time. To work or operate. Do the work, do a job, do business. She did all the work on the project. They do business in several countries around the world.